exposing the real-life bird that turns into an umbrella. Say hello to the black heron. This incredible bird has a unique hunting technique called canopy feeding. The black heron spreads its wings wide, creating a shady umbrella over the water. Fish think it's a safe hiding spot, but they're in for a surprise. Snap, dinner is served. Isn't nature amazing? Black herons are found in Africa and Madagascar, and their hunting skills are a sight to behold. So next time you're exploring the great outdoors, keep an eye out for this feathered fisherman. Like what you see? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool nature facts. Thanks for watching. See you next time.